Alright, let's get it. Unboxing. Now, I'm reacting to this because I probably ain't gonna never be able to buy this or even afford it. So, this is my reaction to it. See what's inside. That's pretty tight right there. It's like, oh, it's the game. Okay. Where's the game? I got those two over there, baby. Certified, yeah. I think on eBay somebody want like $2,000 for it, man. Over $2,000 for that. Really? I'm not paying no $2,000 for that, man. They only cost $800. Well, it did. It sold out. But if I was rich, I would get it. Man, is that it? That thing big, man. I see the box, but it, yeah. That's tight. They had to put them in little sheets and stuff, boy. Those are paintings, I think. They look like paintings. Yeah, they look like paintings. Wow. I don't know if they real paintings, but I think so. Like, I don't know if somebody painted it or it's just a copy of the painting, you know. But either way it go, still good. Also, keep a lookout on my channel too. I'm gonna be doing a lot of these kind of little unboxings too. I got a couple of things I would like to share with you guys, but soon, very soon. Yeah, look how big it is, man. Yeah, I think it's like this big, man. It's like got the Assassins up under Assassin's Creed Origins title. Is that the boat? Oh, that's the bird. That thing is big, man. I didn't realize it was that big, man. What is that? What is that? Oh, it's a necklace. It's one of his necklaces. Cool. Look how big that freaking bow is, bruh. Sheesh. You can use that in real life, man. Dang. No wonder they didn't cost so dang much money, man. Dang, they want $2,000, man. It's the head. You gotta put them all together, bro. That's what's up, though. Arrows. Gotta be very careful with those. You don't want to break those. Look at the sword, man. That thing, yeah. How's the music? It's one out. Some more arrows. Those ones go in his backpack, yep. Then the main goodie. The main goodie. Man, look how big the freak. I did not realize that it was that big, man. Dang. That thing is humongous, man. I think it's like 20 inches big, man. What's up, man? It's probably bigger than that. That is tight, man. No wonder it's sold out. And then that thing he's standing on gotta be freaking heavy, man, to hold him up like that. Like, I can't get it. I don't want to break nothing. Dang, I did not realize that it was that big, man. Wow, okay. That's what's up. Music gone. That's ridiculous, man. Gotta pull it back. Gotta pull it back. Last thing is the bird, boy. Dang, man. If I had the money, man, I definitely would get it, man. I wish I could have pre-ordered when it first was announced, man. But ain't had no money. Music going in and out. That's tight. That's awesome, bro. And he holding the necklace on his neck. Yep, because he got it on his neck. Very awesome. Very, very awesome. Too bad I won't be able to get that unless I just get very, very lucky and come up on some lot of cash or something like that. But yeah, man, go ahead and subscribe to the channel up there. Watch some more videos over there and some down there too. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.